Assalamu alaikum. I am Nilfar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you Chapter 3 Agriculture Inputs. Dear students, in your last class I gave you some questions. I hope you did it. I want to see your homework. If you can't submit through mobile, you can send me an image of your homework. Please do the assignment if you haven't completed it yet. I also give you a task. I hope you made it. Dear students, our today's topic is irrigation. Please take your textbook, agricultural book, page number 33. Do we know which elements are maximum in a living body without which life cannot exist? What is called life of a living thing? The answer of all these questions is water. So where do living beings get water and where from? The plant is a living being and it gets water from irrigation or rainfall. When the water is comparatively more than the required amount, it needs to be removed and it is called drainage. Now we would discuss irrigation and drainage of water. What is irrigation? Artificial supply of water in the field for crop plant growth is called irrigation. Water is essential for the life of any living beings and so it is necessary for crops. To give production and for normal growth of crops, plants absorb water, soluble plant nutrients and the required amount of water contained in the soil. Due to drought, less rainfall or because of other reasons. Water is essential in the crop field. Irrigation is necessary for modern agricultural system. Dear students, you can see some picture in your textbook. Figure 1. Drought affected field crop. You can see the picture which is dry land. Drought affected field crop means and figure number 2, crop in normal field. I hope you understand between the picture drought affected field crop and crop in normal field. Dear students, now I discuss with you sources of irrigation water. Irrigation water is mainly found from two sources such as A. Surface water, B. Underground water. Sources of surface water are rivers, canals, ditches, haur, bower, ponds, etc. This water is mainly stored from rainfall. Dear students, you can also see a picture, page number 34, which is together rice field, river, pond, tubewell, haur. Different sources of irrigation water in rice field. On the other hand, irrigation is done by digging well or lifting underground water using shallow tube well. This water is called underground water. Now I discuss with you necessity of irrigation. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. In this country there is sufficient rainfall. But this rainfall is not always used. So, good harvest cannot always be caught if crop is cultivated depending on rain. In our country, there is enough rain in the rainy season, but there is almost no rain in the winter season. Moreover, there is not enough rainfall during the monsoon season in the western region of the country. As a result, the production of crops decreases due to shortage of water. In this situation, irrigation is needed to increase crop yield. There are differences in the demand of water at different stages of growth for each crop. So, irrigation is needed to provide water according to this demand. Now I discuss with you merits of irrigation. Number 1. Plants absorb water using its roots. Number 2. Plants absorb nutrients along with the water from the soil. Number 3. Irrigation helps keeping the soil temperature right. Number 4. Effectiveness of microorganisms and availability of nutrient are increased. Dear student, now I discuss with you draining excess water. Excess water should be drained away from the land. The activity of draining excess water from the land is called water draining. Plants lack oxygen if excess water gathers in the land. As a result, many plants die. Dear students, no more today. Last class I discussed with you lesson 6, water for fish culture. After finishing my class, I am telling you some questions which is help of your assignment. Today's homework, make 20 MCQ from chapter 3, lesson 4 and 5. Dear students, you can make the questions like this way. I am telling some question for you. What type of property is the alkalinity of the soil? What type of property is the alkalinity of the soil? How many biological properties of the soil are there? How many biological properties of the soil are there? How many classes are the properties of soil divided into? How many classes are the properties of soil divided into? How many elements influence the physical properties of the soil? How many elements influence the physical properties of the soil? This question is lesson 3. Now I am telling you lesson 4 and 5. What is necessary for the modern agricultural system? What is necessary for the modern agricultural system? What is essential for the life of a crop? What is essential for the life of a crop? Which element is called the life of a living thing? Which element is called the life of a living thing? When does the availability of oxygen at the plant's root reduces? When does the availability of oxygen at the plant's root reduce? In which season there is less rainfall? In which season there is less rainfall? No more today. Please read the lesson properly. If you read the lesson at least 3 times, you can give any questions answer. I hope you will follow my advice. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.